right, good morning, everyone. This is Juan.
And this is Jayden.
All right, we're about to do an unboxing here. Let's see what's in this box. There, do a quick unboxing. Let's see what's in this here. All right, let's just dump it over. Dump it over there. All right. Ooh, so look at that box. Very nice box. As you can see here on this box, what it has here. So you can see some of the stuff that's on it. It shows the making. It shows a lot of retro Jordan stuff. So some of you should already know what may be in here. It may be a retro pair of Jordans.
Yeah.
But let's see. Let me let my son open them up.
Air Jordan 10 retro. Ooh, camouflage. It says here.
Mm-hmm.
So,
you see here, guys, these are the Desert Camo Jordan 10. As you can see, now I was in the military. This is close to being desert camo, but works. This is actually pretty nice here. How Jordan did this.
1994 Beyond, 1993 MVP Championship.
So as you see here, just celebrated the Jordan 10. Those of you that had the Jordan 10 back then, I remember when the Jordan 10 came out. I think that was when I remember getting it as a kid when I was in high school, and it had the number 45 when he was number 45. So as you see here on the back, you see you got the Jumpman. You see what's here on the tongue. Air Jordan 23. You see right here, it's got the Air Jordan collection. Right there, multicolor symbol here. It's pretty nice. So here you have of course, your leather. Leather tongue. You have your leather accents and stuff here. Now the camo is, you get a close-up view of this here. So some of you can see. So here with the camo, as you can see, sorry for the shadows. I forgot to turn the light on, but it's fine. So this is more like a canvas. It's like a thick canvas material. Here they have, in a way, it kind of feels like some old school camis, or for those of you that were in the Army, BDUs. It was just more canvas here. So let's see. So on the bottom, you see, of course, as you see here, it has what? Go ahead. Go ahead, read. My son is going to read the other shoe.
1985 Rookie of the Year. 1986, 63 points. 1987 scoring title. 1988 dunk champ. 1989 all defense. 1990 scores 69 points. 1991 MVP championship. 1992 MVP championship. 1993 MVP championship. 1994 beyond.
There you go. So these are actually pretty nice. These are nice right here. Now, this is just an unboxing. We'll do a review later on how it feels on foot. But here you go. You get a close up here. Very thick. This material feels thick. Thick canvas. So hopefully it doesn't tear. You won't know. More than likely what I'll do is I'll do a review of me trying them on, of me wearing them once. Then I'll try to do like a 30-day later, 30-day, 2-month review. But the stitching looks really strong. The only thing that I can see being a problem with this shoe is stains. And how would you get the stains out? You spill something or get mud, and then it gets on the fabric part of the shoe. I wonder. But it's nice. It looks nice. It looks nice. All right, guys. Signing off.
Peace.
Hey, by the way, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe because we're going to start doing some giveaways for people that subscribe, and there will be a video later about some of the giveaways. All right, peace.